From loud and clear. Good morning, children. Give me a thumbs up if you can hear me. Yes, give me a thumbs up, everybody. Very good. That's nice. Thumbs up, everyone. All right, we have admitted everybody. How are all of you doing? Good? All right. Good to see you, Sujit, Sargam, Varyam, Ravi, Dilpreet, Jashan, Tamishka, good to see you all. Ravi, Ridhima, Mishti, good to see you. Ritika, Ayan, good to see you. Reva, Ridhima, Gurmandeep, Ravi Pratap. All right, Manveer, Ayan, Ustad, Quincy. Oh my God, full attendance. All right, great to see all of you. And welcome to Herleen Ma'am's class. Are we all ready? Yes. To start with, I'm going to start with a little riddle. Are we all ready for the riddle? Give me a thumbs up. All right. We start now. Good morning, children. Welcome to Herleen Ma'am's class. I'm going to start with a riddle. The riddle of the day is, I have lots of memories, but I own nothing. Who am I? What am I? I have lots of memories, but I own nothing. What am I? Yes, I'm a photo frame. You're right. Memories up on a photo frame. Okay, another one. What is in seasons, in seconds, in centuries and minutes, but not in decades, years or days? I'll repeat myself. What is in seasons, in seconds, in centuries, minutes, but not in decades, years or days? What is it? Any guesses? What is it? Come on, hurry up. It's the letter N. It's the letter N. It's there in seasons, it's there in seconds, centuries and minutes. But we don't have the letter N in decades, years and days. Alright, if you're ready, I have another one. Mr. and Mrs. Mustard, they have 6 daughters. And each one of them have a brother. So how many are there in the entire family? Hurry up. How many members in the family? Mr. and Mrs. Mustard have 6 daughters. Each of the daughter has 1 brother. How many total? No, it's not 7. Come on, hurry up. Mr. and Mrs. Yes, 9 is the right answer. Alright, should we start now? I'll start with the class. Children, I've come out with a little idea. I want all of you to maintain a lockdown dictionary. What are you going to maintain? We're going to make a lockdown dictionary. You're going to take a scrap. You can take colored paper, plain paper and make a dictionary. Alright? And you're going to label it A to Z. Label it A to Z. And every day your target is to learn 2 words. You have to learn 2 new words. Alright, Dilpreet? 2 new words you're going to learn. Bache, my voice is loud and clear. There's an internet problem from your side. Am I loud and clear to everybody? Give me a thumbs up. Yes. See children, there's some internet connection problem with you. Majority of the children, I'm loud and clear. Give me a thumbs up on that. Alright. So we'll start today. I hope everybody is being good at home. You're being kind, you're being good. Yes? Obedient. Alright. I can see a lot of you shaking your heads. Yes. Okay. So today I'm going to start with you. I'm going to do listening skills with you. Should we start with some listening skills? Yes? Alright. And all of you can see the school at the back? You can see your school at the back? Yes. There's your class right there. 8th class is right there. You can see the building? All right, great. Yes. Okay, lovely. So just imagine that we are in the school and I'm taking a listening exercise with you, all right? I'll start with the listening skills. Everybody be ready with a rough notebook and a pen, a pencil, whatever you have in hand. Listening skills. We all are very clear. Every language, there are 4 skills: reading, comprehension, writing, story writing, journal writing, letter writing, all the writings. And then you have the speaking skills. And then you have the listening skills. So today we're going to improve our listening skills. We haven't done that in a while. We've done reading, we're writing, we're doing everything. We have not done our listening skills. Children, we'll talk about the library book later. Let me finish my listening exercise, all right? Ready, everybody? Give me a thumbs up. All right. This poem is by Lamia, but I've changed a little bit for all of you. So it's related. It's actually, you can relate to this poem because it's what we all are going through at the moment. Okay? We all are going through this at the moment, and I'm going to be very slow in reciting the poem. I want all of you to keep writing in the same manner as I'm speaking. And after that, I will be a little faster so that you can check. All right? 1, 2, 3. Gurkirat, ready? Thumbs up? Okay. Don't give up, don't give in. There's always an answer to everything. Don't give up, don't give in. There's always an answer to everything. This, my children, is for you. The trials that you face and the dreams that you chase. You are not behind the race. Don't stray from your pace. Your mind is scattered all over the place, and you are desperate for some space. Little do you know, this is your time to embrace. Little do you know, this is your time to embrace. Don't give up, don't give in. There's always an answer to everything. You know we tend to hide what's inside. You know we tend to hide what's inside.